Hey, what's up, guys? My name is JD Pie. Today we're gonna be playing some Watch Dogs. Oh snap! I think I just messed it up. Yeah, alright, that's it. I messed the camera up, so we're gonna be doing this video, I guess. Come on, man. How did I just get it? Oh, like that? Guys, tell me what you guys think of my outfit. I believe it's red now. As from the beginning, I stole all the clothes, cash, and stuff. I only have 3 outfits. So, please leave in the comments. Leave in the comments below, all the way below, of what outfit you like better, and I'll put it in I'll end up putting it in my outfit. So for today, I will be using, I think, a white or a brown or something like that. But last time I was using, 2 days ago, I used black, and yesterday I used red. So today I'm using my third. I'm going to the store today. I have like $2,000 sticking with money, stolen money, so I don't know how I'm gonna get to my house. So let's see. Red. See you guys, red. So what do you guys think about my red? Alrighty. Let's go to this map. Where is my house? Yeah, there. Where's my house? To eat. Says hideout. I want to check that out. Looking for my hideout. I went so far. Then where is it anymore? Here it is. Oh wait, look, first let us go get some clothes. Non-mission? What? Quit mission. Alright, I'm just gonna be going to my hideout, get some clothes first though. So.
Alright, now I can deal with Jordy's job. Some kind of driving contract, delivering a guy somewhere. This won't be a typical taxi service. The trick with these jobs is avoiding the cops.
Let's go with the chart no, performance no. Rolling.
Ask, and ye shall receive.
As you see, guys, I'm actually going to be going to the store. Where's the guns first? I thought.
Wow, freaky friend.
What? What you saying to me? What'd you say to me? By the way, guys, I'm not a really good driver, so. Oh, what was that? What was that? What was that? Oh, you scratched my car, bro. Alrighty. Let's go to this back door.
What do you need?
I don't know, maybe like some assault rifles.
I got the goods. You just need to know what you're looking for.
I know you got the goods, bro. Oh, semi-automatic shot. Shot, yo.
I ain't gonna die today.
Still there, man. So now I got a few extra bucks. Just get out of here. Looks like I'm gonna call the cops on me, so. I think that's it. Oh, I told you. Sorry. Shut up. What is it? More convoy? It's got no guns.
Well, the controversial re-election of Mayor Rushmore continues. Insiders are saying it was his decision to implement the Smart City Infrastructure Program, known as CTOS Network, that boosted his re-election campaign. But critics are pointing to the recent disruptions to the network, where bridges move on their own and traffic lights are shut down. Critics say it just proves one more hasty decision was made by the flamboyant mayor.
Alright guys, that's just part of the action. Subscribe, like this video, because there's going to be one more right after this. So, see ya next time. Deuces!